Do me a favor? Would you put your bib in the washing machine? Okay, get it. Get your bib. Let's put it in the washing machine. Can you get your bib? You can't find it? Where's your bib? Let's get it so we can put it in the washing machine. Will you get your bib? Where'd you leave it? Cameron found it. Where's your bib? You can't find it? No, it's not in there. Where's your bib? Can we get it so we can put it in the washing machine? Is that what you were looking for? Okay, put it in the washing machine.